Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I hope you have watched the previous one in this particular video series of books of number theory, and I hope you responded to it. If you didn't, please go and respond, man, come on. So yeah, in this video series we are going to cover books specific for IOQM preparation or in general Olympiad preparation, which might be advanced or which is going to be out of the school syllabus bracket box. So in this video I am going to suggest some books which are going to be helping you for geometry, but they will be advanced. I personally in my life have struggled a lot with geometry. I mention it in every live session, every video which I made on geometry as well. In case you don't know, you are not aware, please go down in the channel playlists. You will find geometry playlist, trigonometry playlist. I made it for for you guys, and you will find it a lot helpful. Coming from a guy who hated geometry, right? I started to enjoy geometry when in my 11th and 12th, when I started to prepare for ISI. I was preparing for JEE, but my sir, he was very kind enough to bring me one particular book, which is the third book which I am going to recommend here. He gave me that book, a printed version of it, and he said, beta, you have to solve this. Your geometry is weak. He recognized that. Your geometry is weak, you have to solve this to be able to do good in ISI exam, entrance examination. Otherwise, you will just useless. So fine, I did that book, and of course that book was very, very helpful. I forgot the name in one of the live sessions, but yeah, here I mentioned the book. I found the book. I'm so glad. Okay, the general books, first of all, now before you start your journey, if you are just beginning, if you have not done it before, Olympiad stuff you don't know at all, if you're just beginning from school to this is the book you need. These two, one of these two, anything is fine, because they are beginner level books. Alright, so I want you to prepare very, very good with the beginner level books. Basic concepts, basic theorems are everything here, because as you move, especially in geometry, there will be a lot of theorems, right? A lot of properties of triangles and circles together, that this headache. but this is where you begin. All right, after you have begun this, you can move to the geometry specific textbooks. INMO, the gold standard for Olympiads, right? And there is also one more book called Beautiful Journey Through Olympiad Geometry, I think. But I have not mentioned it here, but I suddenly remembered that book. Even that book is really good. So this is one of the gold standards by Evan Chen, and yeah, you look at this, every topic is covered from basics to advanced level. This is a very good book. All right, everything from starting from angle chasing, that's the most basic thing in Olympiad, right? Angle chasing is the most basic. Supplementary angles, that this, and then parallel angles. So where do you get what? And related to circles, the angles become even more interesting, right? And similarity of triangles, length, ratios, extended law of sines, Seva's theorem. Yeah, Seva's theorem I did cover in my channel. Please go. It's not there in the geometry this thing, but I have covered it as a 5-marker question. So there was a 5 marks question in IOQM, and which required Seva's theorem. So I first proved Seva's theorem and then solved the problem. If you want to watch it, I'll maybe link it somewhere here. All right. Okay. What else is there? Directly, yeah, Menelau's theorem also I covered in one of the videos, solving a problem that was needed for another problem. So you can just search Viewers English Seva's theorem. Anyway, and then these things, everything is covered. A few techniques are there. Complex numbers, why did complex numbers come in this? See, this is additional chapter, all right. This is additional chapter. This is not maybe directly related to Olympiads, but you will find it very, very interesting. A different way of looking at geometry. Complex plane, if you know the Argand plane, it is basically a 2D plane. So you can use it as a coordinate geometry, but there are particular properties like rotation and everything which makes it very, very easy to deal with. So yeah, that is very important. Unit circle of complex number. Yeah, this thing is really interesting, and you can be using it for solving a lot of problems. Maybe if you solve it using these, it will be very interesting, in actual exams, in RMO and all that. Yeah, so there is inversion in circle, a point. It's also a very fascinating thing that you can find. Actually, this topic was told to me by Sumit sir. Anyways, projective geometry, harmonic, so yeah, basically all the topics covered. So I just showed you what would be the interesting stuff in this. Okay, geometry revisited. I found this accidentally on Quora or Reddit, I think, I'm not sure. But yeah, I found this very, very interesting, because if you look at the topics, it's a very advanced book, by the way. The basics has to be covered if you want to touch this book, and it is mainly advanced concepts and problems, because it's starting with extended law of sines. So you have to understand that it's not just your normal book. So yeah, it is very interesting book. You have to, transformation, rotation, this is related to coordinates, but all the theorems are at one place. If you see Napoleon triangles, Menelaus theorem, Pappus theorem, Pascal's theorem, these things. So everything related to circle, triangle together, those are interesting stuff. All right. So yeah, these are this is the book which is advanced. I definitely won't prefer that you start with this. I'm not saying that. Also, I will mention it again and again that I might suggest a lot of books over this course of video series. You are not supposed to buy all these things. No, I am not suggesting you buy all these things. I want you to just go through the PDFs of this, and whichever style you prefer, whichever level of difficulty you prefer, go to that, right? But again, first of all, your basics and fundamentals have to be clear. Okay, next. This is the book which my sir gave it to me. And it is full of problems. It's only problems, nothing else. All right. So even if you look at the content, it's just topic, problems, topic, problems, topic, problems. It's just that. This is it. Content and solutions take this long. So it's a very, very interesting book. So it somehow fascinated me since my childhood, looking at mathematics books which are advanced, whose problems are tough to understand, and to solve them takes hours maybe. And once the solution is gotten, I'll get that yes moment, aha moment, the kick. And yeah, that is the fascinating thing about these problems. Geometry, also this book, I don't think I have mentioned the book. Honorable mention is CTPCM, Challenge and Thrill of Pre-College Mathematics. This is a beautiful book again. The questions are really good in that. Okay. So that's an honorable mention. I suddenly remembered. I don't know why I did not include it, but yeah, definitely it should be in your bucket list. Please go and check it out. Okay. So thank you for watching, and meet you soon, and do whatever is written over there. Take care. Bye bye.